What's going on, everyone? It's RGB Tech back here. Today, I'm going to show you how to install the latest Bliss OS version 18.1 custom ROM, based on the latest Android 15. So, this is my old Galaxy A30, and currently it's running on the custom S22 port. Alright, so let's get into it. Same as usual, simply power off the device. Now press and hold volume up and power key at same time to boot into TWRP recovery. Now select wipe. Here, I'm not wiping internal storage. Swipe to wipe. Now get back. Select install. Choose the ROM file you downloaded based on your device model. Swipe to flash. Also make a note that this ROM is based on my device model. If you wish to install it on a different device, you should consider using GSI ROM, which are universal on any Android device. Or you need to search ROM based on your device. If you have GSI ROM, then you need to install it as system image. Alright, so after flashing this ROM, we need to load this kernel file, and this is only for my device and some limited models. Like with this, we need to tweak some changes for the Android 15 version. Tap on Start. Here, choose Default Installation. Select AOSP version, as this ROM is based on it. Now install. It starts to tweak the current installed ROM with the phone's hardware. I mean, it upstreams the kernel version of the phone. Here I'll save the logs. Now exit. Reboot the device. Select Yes. Alright, and there we go. We are on the welcome screen. Now complete the setup. Okay, and finally, we are on the home screen. Like the UI feels some lags here and there, but quite okay for an older device. Now let's head over to Settings. About Device. And there we go. It runs on the latest Android 15 on Bliss OS 18.1, also with the latest security patch. And here you'll also notice the back gesture animation like switching between screens. Like here, everything is same as usual. Let's check out the Blissify. And here there are some custom features which are almost same as the previous version. Also, it's quite similar features like from the other AOSP ROMs, like the lock screen. You can set custom notifications on system. Yeah, system buttons. You can change gestures. And there are some custom features like smart pixels, spoofing, and everything is normal. You can also customize the user interface, like the quick settings. You can change parameters, animations, change themes, icons, and system icons too. Everything is same. Also, on battery, there's a smart charging option and the battery manager. In wallpaper section, you can able to add and create your emoji wallpapers, and it's dynamic one. You can also generate custom AI wallpapers by using prompts. In security and privacy, there's a private space. Of course, it's new Android 15 feature, which you can able to hide or lock private apps by setting up custom lock or pin. Simply go to Apps tab and unlock. That's it. And again, if you want to hide, just simply lock. And also, there are some Bliss OS apps like the Firewall. And there are a couple of others like Game Space, everything. Anyways, that's all for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed and also subscribed. Don't forget to check out our recent custom ROM videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.